When it comes to buying a new vehicle, few purchases carry as much weight for American families as an SUV. In fact, the average cost of a brand new SUV in 2025 hovers close to $49,000, making it one of the largest single household expenses aside from a home. With numbers like that, you'd expect reliability to be a given. Yet, reality tells a different story. Behind the glossy marketing campaigns and sleek showroom designs, many SUV models hide serious issues. From problematic engines and weak transmissions to glitchy electronics and frustrating build quality. To help buyers steer clear of costly mistakes, consumer data has revealed the most unreliable SUVs of 2025. Before we delve into the countdown, please take a moment to subscribe and enable notifications, ensuring you receive our essential, fact-driven buyer's guides. Number 12. 2025 Jeep Compass. At first glance, the Jeep Compass looks attractive. It carries sharp styling, rugged branding, and the unmistakable Jeep heritage. But beneath that appealing exterior lies a vehicle plagued with reliability issues. The Compass has been part of the same generation since 2017, which means its design is nearly a decade old with only minor facelifts. Consumer Reports gave it a weak reliability score of just 33 out of 100. Owners commonly complain about excessive oil consumption, jerky gear shifts, suspension wear, and a laggy turbo that underperforms in hot weather. To make matters worse, the infotainment system suffers from freezes and glitches, and safety features often fail to deliver consistently. For anyone considering a compact SUV, the Compass remains one to avoid. Number 11. 2025 Chevrolet Blazer. Chevy's Blazer entered the midsize SUV segment with sporty styling and a choice between a turbo 4-cylinder or a powerful V6. On paper, it looks like a strong contender with a starting price around $37,000. In practice, however, it struggles to deliver reliability. Reports point to engine stalling tied to fuel system and ignition faults, along with transmission troubles such as hard shifting and premature failures. Many owners have also encountered turbocharger problems and software glitches inside the cabin. Consumer Reports place the Blazer near the bottom of its rankings, with a reliability score of just 32 out of 100. Number 10. 2025 GMC Yukon. The GMC Yukon represents size, luxury, and power. With a base price near $60,000 and higher trims pushing close to $90,000, it aims to be a flagship full-size SUV. Yet despite the premium cost, many buyers have experienced severe mechanical setbacks. The most common problems involve its 6.2-liter V8, where the active fuel management system is linked to lifter and bearing failures. These issues can escalate to full engine replacements. Transmission slipping and harsh shifting only add to the frustration, and multiple recalls have already affected recent models. Consumer Reports gave the Yukon a disappointing 31 out of 100 for reliability, showing that bigger doesn't always mean better. Number 9. 2025 Chevrolet Tahoe. Sharing its platform with the GMC Yukon, the Chevrolet Tahoe inherits many of the same problems. Electrical gremlins, infotainment malfunctions, and sensor failures are common complaints. Just like the Yukon, the 6.2-liter V8 is prone to major engine issues, while the transmission has been flagged for slipping and hesitation. Despite its popularity as a family hauler, the Tahoe earned the same low reliability score of 31 out of 100, proving that its rugged look doesn't always match its durability. Number 8. 2025 Dodge Hornet. The Dodge Hornet enters the compact SUV market as a rebadged Alfa Romeo Tonale, with pricing that stretches from the mid-$30,000s to nearly $50,000 for the plug-in hybrid. But its European roots haven't solved Dodge's long-standing reputation for reliability struggles. Hybrid owners report weak power delivery, constant check engine lights, and frequent software glitches. Even the interior quality disappoints, with cheap materials and squeaks undermining its value. To make matters worse, tens of thousands of units were recalled due to a brake defect that could compromise safety. With a Consumer Reports score of only 30 out of 100, the Hornet is one of the least dependable compact SUVs this year. Number 7. 2025 Jeep Wrangler. An American legend, the Jeep Wrangler carries unmatched off-road heritage. However, buyers hoping for reliability may be disappointed. Steering issues continue to plague the Wrangler, with many drivers reporting unstable handling at highway speeds. suspension wear appears far too early for a vehicle built for rugged trails, while infotainment glitches and charging problems in hybrid versions only add to the headache. One owner summed it up best: "Love the image, hate the constant trips to the dealer." Consumer Reports echoed this frustration, giving the Wrangler a poor 27 out of 100 in reliability. Number 6. 2025 Volkswagen Taos. Volkswagen entered the subcompact SUV segment with the Taos, aiming to provide a practical and stylish daily driver. While the 2025 version includes updates like a new 8-speed automatic transmission for front-wheel drive models, owners are still running into frustrating problems. Performance tops the list of complaints. With just 158 horsepower, the Taos feels underpowered, especially when carrying passengers or cargo. Worse yet, throttle response is unpredictable, often resulting in awkward lurches at low speeds. The transmission struggles to find the right gear, making city driving more stressful than smooth. Electrical issues are also a recurring theme. Owners have reported infotainment freezes, random warning lights, and early signs of wear in interior components. Recalls tied to the fuel system and electronics underline the shaky reliability record. Consumer Reports scored the Taos just 24 out of 100, placing it firmly among the least dependable small SUVs of the year. Number 5. 2025 Volkswagen Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport. If the Taos wasn't enough, Volkswagen's larger offerings, the Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport, also land on the list. Starting around $40,000, these midsize SUVs are marketed as family-friendly options with plenty of interior space. However, they carry many of the same issues as their smaller sibling. Powertrain complaints are frequent. Since VW dropped the V6, buyers are left with a 2.0-liter turbo 4-cylinder paired with an 8-speed automatic. While the specs look fine on paper, in practice, owners have noticed hesitation, lag, and rough shifts, particularly at lower speeds. Technology doesn't fare much better. Frozen infotainment screens, lagging controls, and random electronic failures create headaches in a vehicle that should feel premium. Interior quality is another sore spot. Early rattles, cheap plastics, and visible where don't reflect its price tag. Both the Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport received a reliability score of just 24 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, reinforcing their troubled reputation. Number 4. 2025 Jeep Wagoneer. The Wagoneer returned in 2022 to take on full-size competitors like the Chevy Tahoe and GMC Yukon, bringing luxury aspirations and advanced tech features. Unfortunately, it hasn't lived up to expectations. One of the most common issues reported by owners is electrical failure. From malfunctioning driver assist systems to glitchy infotainment, the technology that was supposed to set the Wagoneer apart often becomes its biggest frustration. Powertrain reliability is also in question. Jeep replaced the old V8 with a twin-turbo inline-six, which theoretically delivers more power and efficiency. However, early owners have flagged engine problems, warning lights, and reliability concerns with this newer setup. For a model that costs well into premium territory, these setbacks are significant. Consumer Reports assigned the 2025 Wagoneer a reliability score of just 22 out of 100, positioning it as one of the weakest choices in the full-size SUV category. Number 3. 2025 Ford Escape Hybrid. Ford's Escape Hybrid is designed to appeal to families looking for strong fuel efficiency and practicality. But its reliability problems keep holding it back. Drivers often mention rough transitions when the system switches between gas and electric power, leading to a jerky driving experience. Hybrid battery malfunctions have also been reported, creating concerns about expensive repairs once the warranty expires. Electronics pile on more frustrations, with frozen infotainment screens, random warning lights, and inconsistent driver assist features like adaptive cruise control. The interior has also been criticized for its budget-level materials, rattles, and where that arrived too early compared to competitors like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid and Honda CR-V Hybrid. Ultimately, the 2025 Escape Hybrid received just 21 out of 100 from Consumer Reports, making it one of the least dependable hybrid SUVs of the year. Number 2. 2025 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee has long been a popular choice for buyers who want off-road capability with everyday comfort. But the 2025 model faces serious reliability challenges that can't be ignored. One of the biggest complaints involves the electrical system. Owners report malfunctioning screens, frozen software, and unreliable driver assist features. Considering how much tech Jeep packs into this SUV, these failures are both inconvenient and costly. Powertrain reliability has also come under fire. While the Grand Cherokee is available with multiple engine options, including a plug-in hybrid version, drivers have noticed transmission issues and rough shifting that hurt the driving experience. Even build quality is questionable. Owners have mentioned rattles, squeaks, and interior pieces that don't hold up in a vehicle priced above $40,000. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 Grand Cherokee just 20 out of 100 for predicted reliability, ranking it as one of the worst midsize SUVs this year. Number 1. 2025 Volvo XC90. At the very top of the list is the 2025 Volvo XC90. This luxury SUV is marketed as a family-friendly, tech-heavy model, but its problems outweigh the appeal. The XC90 has faced repeated complaints about electronics. From malfunctioning touchscreens to faulty safety systems, the advanced technology that should make the XC90 stand out often creates frustration. Owners have also reported transmission hesitation, jerky acceleration, and noisy brakes. Beyond performance, the build quality doesn't live up to luxury standards. Squeaks, rattles, and premature wear on materials like leather and trim are commonly reported. Considering its price point, often well above $60,000, buyers expect a premium experience, but instead face reliability issues that undermine confidence in the brand. Consumer Reports gave the 2025 XC90 a reliability score of just 18 out of 100, the lowest on this list and one of the worst scores across all SUVs tested this year. So there you have it, the top 10 SUVs to avoid in 2025 based on Consumer Reports reliability ratings. While some of these SUVs might look attractive on the lot or offer the latest features, real-world ownership tells a different story. From electrical failures to powertrain headaches, these models have proven more frustrating than dependable. Before buying any SUV, it's always smart to check independent reviews, reliability scores, and owner feedback. Sometimes paying a little more upfront for a model with proven dependability, like a Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, or Mazda CX-5, can save thousands in repair costs and headaches down the road. Buying a car isn't just about the newest features or the most aggressive styling. Long-term reliability is what really determines whether your investment will pay off or drain your wallet. Hopefully, this breakdown helps you steer clear of the least dependable SUVs of 2025 and points you towards smarter choices.